Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make this neon sign that you see on the screen. We'll start out on the edit page. As usual, go to the media pool, right click, new fusion comp. You can name it if you like, but you don't have to, and leave it on 5 seconds. You can also get a fusion comp in effects right here, and go to fusion. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That's why it's up there on the screen. Click away right about here, shift space and S star, and shift space, S render. Plug it into media out. And go to one viewer, select the star, take it down to 2 points, uncheck the solid, and set the border width to 0.01. We're going to connect the width and the height together with an expression. So right click on the width, expression. You can either type in height in the box, delete the 0.5 if you do that, or grab the pick whip from the plus sign, take it to the height and let go. I'm going to set it to 0.7 and click away right about here, shift space and S text. Merge it into the star and put the text you're liking in. I'm going to take the size up a little bit now. And then right click in the text box, character level styling. Go to the modifier. And you'll see before you do anything with the text, you don't have any controls, just a text box. Once you highlight one character, you'll now have a bunch of controls. Okay, something like that. I'm going to go the extra bold text. Seems to look better with this. And select the merge. Shift space and sOutline. Then go to the inspector and the thickness 0.003. You'll see right now the color is independent. We're going to connect them together, so when you change the color, it'll do everything at one time. With the text node selected, select shading and pin it. Then select the star node, select style, and then pin it. We're going to make an expression on all 3 colors. So right click on the red, expression. Same thing on the green and the blue. Then you want to grab the pick whip from the plus sign, take it down to the matching color of the text and let go. Then you can unpin these and select the text node. Go back to text tab and make sure your color changes everything. Select the render node, shift space and glow, soft glow. And shift space and raise. You want this one, not the light raise. And we'll go to soft glow first. Bring the blend down about halfway and go to the raise. Most of the effect you'll get from the weight. And to see it better, select these 3 dots and turn the checker underlay off. Now you can see what's going on. Just set it to your liking, play with all the controls, see if you find something you like. We will put them in the macro though. and select the rays, add a transform. Rename the transform to group controls. Click away, make sure nothing's selected. Hold the control button down. Select these in the order that I do. Then hit A on the keyboard. Keep the control button down and deselect the media out. Right click on any one of the other nodes. Go to macro, create macro. Give it a name. And follow along. On center, put group controls in front of it. Soft glow. And raise. Go to File, Save as Group. It takes you to Macros. Go to Fusion instead. Templates, Edit, Titles. Here is where you're going to make your folder to put your preset in. On the settings file, you don't want to name it exactly the same. Name it different or Resolve won't recognize it. On a DRFX, they can be exactly the same. Hit save and go find it. And if you can't find it, you may have to restart Resolve. Here it is. You click on it. You have all your color. I'll let you guys play around with all the controls. Move your size, coordinates. Line spacing and tracking. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.